Do you visit your grandparents?
I visit them every holiday.
Is he fixing the car?
He's actually upgrading the engine.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
Are you going to the gym?
Not today, I'm taking a rest day.
Have you been to the new restaurant?
Not yet, but I've heard it's great.
How long have you been working on this?
I've been working on it since this morning.
Does he play basketball?
He prefers soccer over basketball.
Is she studying for the exam?
Yes, she's been studying all week.
Have they watched the movie?
They plan to watch it this weekend.